Okay, so the table gives information about the distance 100 adults travel to work, from 0 to 5, 26, and all those things. Write the model class. Remember, the model class will be the class with highest frequency. So here highest frequency is 40. So the model class is 5 less than D less than or equal to 10. Work out an estimate for the mean distance. Here you will be adding two columns. First, you will find out the xi, then you will be doing xi into fi. So xi will be 0 plus 5 by 2, it will be 5 by 2, that's 2.5. Then 5 plus 10, 5 plus 10 by 2 will be 15 by 2, 15 by 2 is 7.5. 10 plus 15 is 25, 25 by 2 is 12.5. And 15 plus 20 is 35, 35 by 2. 35 by 2 will be how much? 34 will be 17.5. 17.5 and 20 plus 25 is 45. 45 will be 22.5. Now we got xi's. The next column is xi into fi. So xi into fi is 2.5 into 26. Quickly use, hold your calculators and tell me the values fast. 2.5 into 26 is how much?
65.
40 into 70.5. So 40 into 7.5.
300.
16 into 12.5.
200.
17.5 into 10. Why only one student
175.
I have in the class? 17.5 into 10? 175.
175.
22.5 into 8?
180.
180.
80.
Now adding this you will get 100 only. So this will be 100. Now add this quickly. 180 plus 175 plus 200 plus 300 plus 65.
920.
9?
20.
20. So the mean distance is 920. You know, mean is equals to summation fi xi by summation xi. So it will be 920 by 100, which will become 92 by 100. That is 9.2. So the mean distance is 9.2 kilometers. This is the answer for the first question. Any doubt in this?
Ma'am, would you mind repeating how you wrote model class?
Model class is the class with highest frequency. Out of this, 40 is the highest frequency. That is, what is mode? Mode is the most repeated value. Model class is the class for whom the model class is the class for which the frequency will be highest. Frequency means most repeating things. So here frequency is 40. So the class which belongs to 40 is your model class.
Okay.
Next. Anna makes cups. Each cup costs 6 Swiss francs to make. Anna put the cups into boxes to sell. Each box contains 4 cups. Okay. Each cup costs 6 Swiss. Anna sells 80 boxes of cup for the total of 2,160 Swiss francs. Work out the percentage profit Anna makes. Very simple. 6. Each cup is costing 6. So if we do 6 into 4, then each box, first we are calculating each box price. So if we do 6 into 4, 24 So 24 Swiss francs is the cost of each box. Anna sold how many boxes? 80 boxes. So her selling price is 80 into 24. Can you tell me how much it is 80 into 24?
1920.
1920. So her cost price, this is not selling price, sorry. Cost price is 80 into 24 because she spent for each Swiss cup 6. So now 1920 she has spent on cups. But her selling price is how much? 2160. So now profit percentage is equals to 2160 minus 1920 divided by 1920 into 100. I hope you know new value minus old value by old value into 100. Yes, Ahmad. 2160 minus 1920.
12.5.
How much?
12.5.
12.5 is the answer for the percentage, right? But when you subtract this 2, what is the value you are getting? 0, 6 minus 2 is 4. Borrow 121 minus 19 will be 2. Okay, that's all. The height of each cup is 9 centimeter, correct to the nearest centimeter. Write down the lower bound of the height. Correct to the nearest centimeter means ones. 1 by 2
1 by 2.
is 0.5. So you will be adding 0.5 to find the upper bound and you will be subtracting 0.5 to find the lower bound. Here he is asking lower bound. So 9 minus 0.5 is 8.5 centimeter. So the lower bound is 8.5 centimeter. The weight of each cup is 120 grams. Correct to the nearest 10 grams means you will be doing 10 by 2. 10 by 2 is 5. Work out the upper bound of the weight. 120 plus 5 will give you upper bound. So 120 plus 5 is 125 grams. This is the upper bound of the weight. Any clarity is needed for this? Shema, Ahmed, everyone.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. AB and BC are two sides of a regular polygon with n sides. Work out the value of n. Okay. So if AB and BC are two sides, they are equal. You see the angle between them we need to find out first of all. So you know that the angle around the point is
360, ma'am.
so
360
148
minus 148 minus
plus 40, sorry, 148 plus 50 plus B equal to 360. And then B equals to 360 minus 148 plus 50 is 198. 198. So tell me 360
162.
minus 198 is how much?
162.
1?
62.
162. We got the angle between AB and BC as 162. That means interior angle is 162. I can find exterior angle by using interior angle plus exterior angle equals to 180. So if I have interior angle, it is easy for me to find exterior angle. Exterior angle equal to 180 minus 162. Can you tell me 180 minus 162 is how much? 18?
18, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
So we got exterior angle as 18. Now I know one relationship that exterior angle equal to 360 by n or n is equals to 360 by e. So I'll use this concept. N equal to 360 by e, n is equals to 360 by 18. So 0, 8 ones are 8. Sorry, 0 is not cancelled. 8 ones are
20.
so n equal
N
to
equals 20.
Okay, you might have also learned another way. I will show you here. Using the interior angle also you can find. You don't have to find exterior angle. You got interior angle as 162. You know, each interior angle is n minus 2 into 180 by n. So 162 is equals to n minus 2 into 180 by n. I prefer this. 162n is equals to 180n minus 180 into 2 is 360. So 360 is equals to 180n minus 162n, which is 360 is equals to 18n. N is equals to 360 by 18. So there are two methods. Don't get confused. Okay. Here I simply calculated E and then. यहाँ पे we can use this formula. It is up to you. Any clarity is needed for previous question? Do tell me. X power 5 into x power 7 is x power 12 is
11.
equal to x power m. So value of m is 12. Y power 8 divides y power 3 is y power 8 minus 3 equals to y power n. So y power 5 equal to y power n value is 5. Very simple. Simplify 5 cube a power 4 whole cube r square whole cube. 5 cube is 125. A power 4 threes are 12. R 2 threes are 6. So 125 a power 12 r power 6. In a sale, normal prices are reduced by 28%. The sale price of the watch is 198 euros. Work out the normal price, reverse percentage. So, if I do 100% minus 28%, then can you tell me how much it will? 100 minus 28.
72.
How much?
72. 72% of x equal to
So
198.
now I know 72% of x is equals to 198 euros. So 72 by 100 into x equals to 198. Then 72 is equals to 72x is equals to 198,000. X equals to 198,000 divided by 72. Tell me the answer.
275.
275. So that's the price of original
X.
price of the watch. Next question. Solve x minus 4 equal to 3 plus 2x by 6. So how we will start? 6 into x minus.
And 6.
The 6 is in denominator, it goes and gets multiplied. Equal to 3 plus 2x. 6 into x is 6x minus 6 fours are 24 equal to 3 plus 2x. Then 6x minus 2x is equals to 3 plus 24. 4x is equals to 3 plus 24 is 27. X is equals to 27 by 4. Now y square minus 11y plus 30 you have to factorize. So factorization is y square minus 6y minus 5y plus 30 equal to 0. Y minus 6 minus 5 y minus 6 equal to 0. Then y minus 6 is one factor, y minus 5 is another factor equal to 0. Hence, y minus 6 equals to 0, y minus 5 equal to 0, y equal to 6, y equal to 5. This is the Answer for this. Answer for this is this one. Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Here is a solid cylinder. Its radius is given as 8 centimeter. Height is h centimeter. Volume of the cylinder is given. You have to find out the value of h. So now volume of cylinder equals to pi r square h. So pi into 8 square into h, which is already given as 3890. So now h is equals to 3892 divided by pi into 64. 8 square becomes 64. Use your calculator and tell me the value of h.
$19.3, ma'am.
19.3. You have to correct to
Centimeter.
decimal place. So 19. Any clarity is needed for this question? Do let me.
No,
It
ma'am.
was actually 19.35. So, is
Correct
there a
one
difference
decimal
in
place. So even then it is 19.3. Okay, 19.3.
Okay.
Okay, this question is pretty easy. I'm skipping this question for you. ABCD is a trapezium with one line of symmetry. You see, if I draw here, it is one line of symmetry. Angle ADC is 60. Side AD is given as 12 centimeter. DC is given as 47 centimeter. Work out the area of trapezium. Okay. So for finding area of trapezium, you need actually formula for area of trapezium is half into a plus b into h. We have the b value, but we don't have a value, and even we don't have this height h. So first using Kato, we can find out this height. So what I should take? Opposite by hypotenuse. So sine 60 equals to opposite by, let me mark this as m. Opposite by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is 12 centimeters. So AM equals to sine 60 into 12. Come on, tell me, sine 60 into 12 is how much? 6, I think. I'm not sure, but
No, it is 10.
seriously.
0.39.
Pardon?
10.4.
How much is
Yeah,
sine
10.38.
60?
Sine 60 into 12 is 10.4.
Okay.
Sine 60 0.6.
Are you sure? 10.4?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we got the height as 10.4. Now, you see, using the same Pythagoras theorem, can you find out this one? This DM. So, same triangle, we will apply Pythagoras theorem. So, DM equal to 12 square minus 10.4 square. You know, I'm finding this. Tell me. Square root. DM equal to square root of 12 square minus 10.4 square. Tell me the answer.
5.9.
5.99.
5.9. Okay, so we got this as 5.9. D to M. We are interested in A to B. So if you see, if I draw this, then it's making a rectangle. In rectangle, opposite sides are equal. So from this 47, if I subtract 5.9 and 5.9 from here also, then you do 47 minus 5.9 minus 5.9. I will get from A to B how much it is. And look, these are two identical triangles. This is isosceles.
35.2.
Huh?
35.2.
35.2. So you got AB as
A
35.
as 35.2.
That is your length A equal to 35.2. Now, area of trapezium is half into A plus B into H. So, 35.2 plus B was given as 47 divided by 2 times H. H is 10.4. Use your calculator and tell me the values.
Four 37.84.
How much?
437.84.
437.84. You have to correct to 3 significant figure 1, 2, 3, 8. So 438 centimeters square is the area.
I'm getting
Wait, ma'am, that's
427.
47 or 49?
The 47 it is.
Yeah, my bad. 427.44, my bad.
How much you are getting?
427.44.
427.
So 427.45, this will be 427 centimeters square. So you understood the idea here. You applying Sockato, first we are finding the height, and applying Pythagoras theorem to the same triangle, we are finding DM. Here also it will be same distance. Then from 47, we are subtracting 5.9, 5.9 to get exactly AB. AB we got as 35.2. Now we have all the values to substitute in this formula. We have A as 35.2, B as 47, H as 10.4, and then we are applying the formula. You have to draw the parabola in this question. If you want this paper, I can send to you, but this is there available in Lord's paper also. OABC is a sector of circle with the center O. We have the angle as 140. We have the radius also as 16 centimeter. Calculate the area of the sector. So it's very simple. Area of sector equals to x degrees by 360 into pi r square. So 140 by 360 into pi into 6 square. This and this gets cancelled. 14 pi times 36 by 36. This and this get cancelled and you are left with 14 pi.
मैम 16 square शायद ना?
Sorry, 16 square. So then in that case you have to do 16 square. Do and tell me the answer, please.
312. 312.7.
So here 312. This 36 is there. 312
76. So 8 लिख लिया.
So it will be 312.8. Any doubt in this question? Now 5 by 4 plus x minus 3 by 6x has a single fraction. So we will cross multiply. 6x into 5 plus 4 into x minus 3 divided by 10 times 4 times 6x is 24x. Now 30x plus 4 into x is 4x minus 4 3 is a 12 over 24x. Then 34x minus 12 by 24x. That's the answer. Can you simplify?
Ma'am, can we simplify it by 2 table?
Yes. If we take 2,
4 भी शायद ना?
34 will come in a table of 34. Tell me.
No.
2 ones are 2, 2 12s are. So the final answer will be 17x minus 6 by 12. Next question. In the first year, okay, he bought an apartment, $750,000. In the first year, the value of the apartment decreases by 4%. Second year, 6.5%. Third year, we don't know. At the end of third year, the value of Charlotte apartment was this. Work out the value of X. So first we will do 750,000 times 1 plus, sorry, not plus, decreases. So 1 minus 4 by 100 and get the value. Tell me the value, please. We did not do this paper. 750,000 into 1 minus 4 by 100.
720,000.
Okay, so we are getting 720,000. Now again 720,000 times 1 minus 6.5 by 100. Tell me how much it is.
$673,200.
What?
673,200.
Now this into 1 minus x by 100. Are you sure with this? Acha.
Yeah.
Sorry. In the third year, the value of the apartment increased by x%. So I will put 1 plus x by 100 equals to 698,445. This will now then okay. This I brought here in denominator. Then use your calculator and calculate this value. This value. This divided by this times 100.
103.
103. So x is equals to
Yes.
103 minus 100. that is 3%. So X value is 3%. Okay. That's the solution. Shall I proceed or you want me to? Anyone who is having doubt in this question? I should stop here.
Ma'am, can we do tomorrow?
Yes. I'll stop here and we'll continue tomorrow. Okay.